Hey guys, here we go. So we are finishing up our solving equations kind of mini unit that we are seeing here. So let's take a peek at what we are after here. So here is your classwork packets. Expectations are what we're turning in. We are turning in the one-step equations part one. So that is a two-page assignment. We do not need to worry about the one-step equations part two. So do not need to. All right. So if we keep on going there's a few pages that are here. There's the next page. Do not need to. All right. And then there is a third page that we do not need to. All right. So again, hands off regarding those. Your two-step equations should be taken care of. All right. So there's your 3 pages with it. We've got multi-step equations. That should be taken care of. That is a two-pager that's there. And then here's what we are working on today. We've got the last 2 pages, the more multi-step equations, and then the review of solving equations here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit a few of these review solving equations problems here just to kind of make sure we're comfortable with what we're doing. You know what? I take that back. I take that back. We're going to look at the more multi-step equations here. All right. So let's try a few of them here. Let's go to question number 6 to begin with there. Question number 6. So the big thing here is simplify, which is the combining of like terms. So we've got the equal sign, we've got a left-hand side, we've got a right-hand side, and we want to see if we can clean anything up first. And sure enough, in question number 6, hey, 66 minus 50. Woo, we can do that. Hello, 16. All right. On the right-hand side, 3x plus 5x. Those are like terms. So that's an 8x. And the idea here is to start to recognize what you've got. Ooh, a one-step equation. All right. So we want to start to notice the one-step equations, the two-step equations when they show up here. And the reason why I know it's only a one-step equation is there's only one thing on that side over there with the letter. It's just 8 times x. Only one thing. So to undo multiplication, make sure you're showing your division. Yep, 2 equals x. All right. So that's what we're after in question number 6. Let's find another good one here. Let's go down to, question number 9. All right. 9's a nice one here. All right. In question number 9, again, we're looking to combine some like terms to simplify. And if I notice on the left-hand side, I see the distributive property. A number up against parentheses, make sure you multiply to everyone that's in there. So 3 times 2x is a 6x. 3 times 4 is a 12. All right. Now that 11's not inside there, so it just comes on down. And then if I look at the right-hand side, yeah, these are just numbers. So follow your order of operations. Let's knock out the multiplication first. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10. Add them together. Hello, 35. Again, mental math is fine, people. It's encouraged. Combine some steps. We're at that stage of the game where it's okay. I go back over to the left-hand side, and I see there's more like terms to combine. I can combine my 12 and my 11 together. Not the 6x, all right? That's got that x that's there. No, 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 no. It would need someone else with an x, but we don't have that. So the 6x just stays. The 12 plus the 11 is a 23. And what we want you to realize here at this stage of the game, say hello to the two-step equation, all right? And again, I know it's a two-step equation because I see 2 terms that are over on that left-hand side. So we undo any addition or subtraction first. So I'm going to subtract 23 from both sides. Man, those are some really bad 23s that are there. It's a good thing you're listening and not just clicking play. All right. So we can subtract. We get a 12. All right. We're going to divide both sides by 6. All right. X equals 2. And there's our winning answer. All right. So that's your general theme that you're looking for here. You will be submitting, all right? You will be submitting that's there. So pretty much it's the entire packet except that solving equations part 2 that we had you cross those in particular. Hopefully you've been keeping up with your work. If you have been, it's just the 2 pages that are today. All right. And again, we do want to get that submitted. So again, if you need finish again, hey, absolutely get that taken care of. We've got a new unit for you guys starting up next week. All right. Let me know if I can answer any questions for you. We'll see you later.